I'm reporting from near the historic 5.1 earthquake we just had in North Carolina. Now, it started out with a 2.3 foreshock. Now, a foreshock is a shock before the actual event. It's like when your wife warns you she is going to kill you if you don't mow the lawn today. The actual earthquake peaked at 5.1 on the Richter scale, an unheard of event for North Carolina. We haven't been this shocked in North Carolina since the Andy Griffith Show went off the air in 1968. Now there will be aftershocks. It's kind of like last year when I forgot our anniversary. My wife reminded me of that fact for the next 6 months.